Are you still looking at me? Are you still looking at me?
Today's tutorial is inspired by Jennifer Lopez. I wanted to create this spotlight eyes and glowing skin, so if you're ready to get your J-Lo on, let's get started. Starting off with this eyelid primer, my eyes are a little bit dry, so this will create a silky base. Next, I'm going to use the NYX Cashmere Jumbo Eye Pencil, applying this on the center of the lid, and then use your fingertips to blend this out. This will really give our eyeshadow something to stick to. Mixing Sassy and Snobby from the Nude Nude palette, apply this on the center of the lid over the top of that cashmere shade. This will create that spotlight right in the center of the lid. Next, I'm using Sultry, which is a matte brown. Apply this into the crease and bring it quite close to the nose if you want to copy J-Lo's style. And also apply this on the outer and the inner corner of the lid, but leave that center part free and bright. Using a clean blending brush, soften the edges of the brown to avoid it looking too harsh. Using Seductive, which is a shimmering brown, apply this on the outer corner and the inner corner over the top of Sultry, but once again, keep that middle nice and bright. Then reapply the highlighter on the center of the lid if you need to, and lightly brush over the top to blend it into the Seductive shade. Then apply eyeliner to the lash line. This is totally optional, but it will create the appearance of thicker eyelashes, but you don't need to wing it out. Apply a concealer pencil to the waterline as J-Lo often does, and add a touch of that cashmere shade to really highlight it and focus on the inner corner as well. Curl your eyelashes and apply plenty of mascara on the upper and the lower lashes. J-Lo's brows are quite natural, so I'm using an ashy tone just to blend them in, but keeping the natural shape. Apply your foundation and concealer as you normally would. I also applied an illuminating moisturizer to my skin beforehand to really help the skin glow. Now that you've concealed your under eyes, apply a small amount of that highlighter to the inner corner to brighten the eyes. For J-Lo's cheekbones, I highly recommend this brush by Blank Canvas. Use your favorite matte bronzer and chisel out those cheekbones. And you can't forget highlighter. You basically apply this all over the face, concentrating on the cheekbones, the nose, and the cupid's bow. Apply a corally nude lip gloss, and I also felt like the bronzer wasn't enough, so I applied a coral blush to the cheeks as well, using a large brush to get a soft inner glow appearance. And that's the look complete. You can also check out my 5 steps to glowing skin makeup tutorial by clicking the screen now, or try out my pink glowing makeup tutorial as well. And I'll see you guys next time.
Are you still looking at me?